Hello everybody, today in front of me I have Nokia G11 smartphone, and in this video we would like to share the top 3 widgets that you can add to the home screen of this device, besides the standard Google search bar and this standard Nokia widget. So first of all, in order for you to be able to access the widget menu, you gotta choose basically any vacant spot you have on any of your home screens, tap and hold, and then click to widgets. Here we have all the widgets that are available to us, divided into convenient categories. So the first widget that we would highly recommend on adding is the calendar widget. Here we have two designs, like the full scale one, the big one, and the small one. I'll go with the smaller version of it. Tap and hold at the widget that you would like to add, and then just choose the home screen of its day, for example. Okay, I'll go with the main one, and well, drop it whatever you like. Right here, for example. So what this calendar is good for, it allows you to keep a track of anything that is added to it, any reminders, events, basically any notes that have been binded with the calendar, so you will not forget about anything important that you have enrolled into the calendar. So every time you unlock your phone and anytime you get to the home screen, you'll see the brief summary of important things that are written down here. There are also some celebrations and holidays that are shown here, so as I said, a very useful widget to have. The second widget that I would highly recommend that you add is a very standard clock widget. Here we have only two designs to choose from, one of them being analog clock and the second one is digital clock. In my case, I'll go with digital clock and, for example, put it right here. So, as you could guess by now, the clock just shows time, and also as a bonus it also shows the date here and the day of the week. And we are moving on to the third widget that we would like to show you in this video, and it is tied with the contact category of widgets and called direct dial. So here let's tap and hold and choose the place where we want to drop it at. Once we are adding this widget, it allows you to choose what contact will be assigned to it. For example, I'll assign Lily. And here, right at your home screen, you will have the opportunity, you will be able to be one tap away from calling somebody. So if I'm calling, for example, Lily, as I've added, if I'm calling Lily quite often, I can just go ahead, tap on this shortcut, and it will directly dial her, as you can see right now. So a very useful widget to have in case you have some certain important contacts and you want have an access to quickly dialing them without having to necessarily opening the phone dialer app, going into the contacts section of it, and scrolling until you find the needed contact. You can just bring it down to the home screen. Alrighty, so that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye-bye.